Tuesday, and normally my day start with econ in the morning at 12, but today got cancelled because my professor got sick because of his daughter. His daughter gave him a cold, so it got cancelled today. So I got up late today, relaxed. Gonna go finish some work and then go for breakfast, and I'll take you guys along. We're on our way to get breakfast right now. It's 12:45.
Yeah, I'm his roommate.
That's Brandon. I'm heading for my first class of the day. Econ got cancelled, so this becomes my first class of public speaking. I have to head to Lincoln Hall. I think I'm gonna go on my penny. Let's go. That's Lincoln Hall, and that's where my public speaking class is. Just got done with my public speaking class, and now I'm gonna head back to my dorm, maybe grab something to eat. So I went for dinner about half an hour back. Forgot to film it though. Then I went and got myself some packages. I had some packages and letters. I got that from the main desk. And I'm just gonna chill for a while. I have a football game at 8, so I'll leave for that soon. What's up, guys? I just came back from my football game. We won 1-0, but I forgot to vlog it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Got some soybean paste bibimbap from Brandon. Just sitting in my dorm, comfortable in my blanket, chilling.